Hello, welcome to our draping class. First, let us get familiar with the terminology that is used in draping. This is the center front, this is the princess seam, this is the apex, that is the center of the bust, the shoulder seam, the side seam, and of course the waist seam. We use the bottom of the tape. So we're gonna start with a piece of calico fabric, which will be 18 inches across. That is, the width is 18 inches, while the length is 24 inches. The length is the sleevage, that is the edge of the fabric. We always want to drape where the edge of the fabric is parallel to the center front. Though there is always an exception to this rule, but 99% of the time, the drape is starts from the sleevage being parallel to the center front. So firstly, we start by drawing a line that is 1 inch away from the sleevage. Then we divide the fabric into halves, that is into two. That means we draw a cross grain perpendicular to the center front. Now, some drapes like this, that is having no fabric here to complete the drape. That is why we have a cross grain, which tells us the cross grain should come across the apex of the bust level, at the bust level. Now, you want to put the pins at a certain angle. If you do it the other way around, it will come undone. So this part is tricky. This is a tricky part right here. You need to be careful how you do this. You don't want to go straight across, but you go up about an inch from the neckline and up a little bit. You go upward like this, so this piece gets cut off. You slowly clip the neckline so that the fabric falls nicely across, on the bodice.